I'm heading to St. Louis, Missouri. St. Louis, Missouri area. Come along with me. The journey continues.
Mercy Bariatric Center, helping you live healthy is our life's work. Learn about your bariatric weight loss options with a free surgical.
In 3/4 of a mile, keep left to I-64 West, then keep left.
But wait, it gets better.
I will be there as well, so I hope to see you this Saturday, alright? So get all the details on the bike show and the Road to Sturgis giveaway at KSHU95.com.
So this is the Dr. Edmund Babbler State Park near Chesterfield, Missouri, just right outside of St. Louis. And I'm going to be here for a couple nights, it looks like. It's just real nice cement sites. They got water, but it's centrally located water, not water at each site, just water out in the middle. And then you fill your tank. So $23 a night, but you can only register online, or you can do a walk-in, take your chance to get a walk-in, but it's $8.50 for an online service charge, which is ridiculous. Yeah, it's $23 a night to stay here for an electrical site. It's only $13 a night to stay here for a basic campsite. With, you know, if you want to camp with a tent or just camp without any power or anything like that, but use the shower house and have the other facilities. And it has a real nice shower house. But I don't know, we need to change that. $8.50 is too expensive in my book for making a reservation online. I'm doing all the work, so yeah. You know what time it is. Bill Goudy checking in. I gotta move fast. Yeah, look at that, starting to melt already. Whew. Can you see that? Crawdaddy Forge made that for me. His link will be down below. Look, you're going to hear me say it. Look at the goodness. And this is partially shaded site, which is not too bad, but the concrete is cracked, and if I park over here it makes me all unlevel, but parking right there, that makes me level. So, you know, hey, it works. 42 free-to-air signals here.
We just can't provide that need for them. And then if you think, well, I'll raise them in the police, well, here again, we don't.
I get 2 bars on the Verizon wireless, so yeah, I'm on my paid hotspot, but hey, I got signals. A lot better than some places in Kentucky. And I'll tell you what, in Kentucky I was lucky to get 10 channels if I got that. And that last place had the digital, had analog signals, which was like watching a digital TV through a dirty window again. Oh well. It's all part of the camping. I think it's really good that you can sample those samples.
That's my favorite thing, is to try before you buy.
Oh yeah. I tell you though, whew.
You got to be a little careful with what you sample.
Oh man.
I've had some people come in here and they don't read like the label that says extreme, and they're out the door.
Crying. I'm about 200 miles from home. Gonna head there tomorrow. I'm gonna have pork chops, and you guys have all seen me cook pork chops, but I'm gonna use some of Shane Sloan's barbecue sauce. It's the same sauce that I use on wings, oh, I don't know, a couple weeks back. Well, I want to use some more of that sauce tonight on the pork chops I got. They look so good. When you use my Camp-Made grill, you all seen that. But what you haven't seen is a stainless steel lid that I bought at the Kitchen Collection for $9.99. It's got a handle on it and it's all stainless steel. It fits perfect and it is just what I wanted. So easy, so light. I'll show you. You'll see. Check it out. $9.99. You can't beat it. Kitchen Collection. Yeah, I bought it at one of those little strip malls. It was the outlet mall. Lightweight. Now the handle will get hot, but this is not too hot to touch. Just fits right on there just so nice. It helps hold that heat in. A lot easier to handle. And if it gets too hot, you can just use the tongs and lift it up. That's just how easy it is. You're going to hear me say it. Look. Just look at the goodness. I'm going to dig into that. Ice cold vessel of amber fluid. Some mixed vegetables. Some John's barbecue sauce. Thank you, Shane. Cooked over a Camp-Made charcoal fire. I'm going to eat this. Have a couple more vessels of amber fluid. Hit the hay and head for the hills. Yeah, I'm going to head home tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out. Oh hey, almost forgot. You want some Camp-Made stuff? I'll have a link down below. Check it out. Enter Goudy20. I can save you 20% off. Bill Goudy really out this time.